In this problem, we need to obtain three numbers that are in a geometric progression with the condition that the product of the three numbers are going to be 1000. And whenever 6 is added to the second term and 7 is added to the third term, the resulting three terms becomes an arithmetic progression. So let's begin. So we will begin by first considering three numbers. So let the three numbers be a over r followed by a, and we have a times r. So these are the numbers that are in geometric progression. So we are given here a and r represents the first term and the common ratio respectively. So here we are given that the product a over r times a times ar, so this value is equals to 1000. As that means if we solve it, so r and r will get cancelled, a cube value will be equals to 1000, which is simply 10 cubed. So taking the positive cube root, we'll have a value equals to 10. So this is the value of our first term. So let's label this as number 1. We are also given that whenever we have 6 added to the second term, so that means our first term, let's keep it as a over r. And we are adding 6 to the second term, so a plus 6. And then we have 7 added to the third term, so ar plus 7. So this resulting sequence is in z is an arithmetic progression. So that means if they are in arithmetic progression, this would simply mean that 2 times the middle term, which is a plus 6, this must be equals to the sum of the first term and the third term. So let's further simplify this. So we already have the value of a, we obtained that is equals to 10. So we'll substitute the value of a with 10. So this will be equals to 10 divided by r plus 10r plus 7. Which will be equals to, so 6 times 10, that's 16, 16 times 2, that's 32. So 32, we will transpose 7 to the left hand side, so 32 minus 7 equals to 10 over r divided by 10r, which will be equals to, so 32 minus 7, that will be 25, equals to, so let's equals to 10 over r plus 10r. Now we will multiply throughout with r, so we're going to get 25r equals to 10 plus 10r squared. Rewriting this equation, we're going to get 10r squared minus 25r plus 10 equals to 0. Now what we can do, we can divide each of the terms by 5. So we're going to get 2r squared minus 5r plus 2 equals to 0. Now we can split the middle terms. We're going to get negative 4r minus r plus 2 equals to 0, which implies that if we take 2r as the common factor, we can combine the first term and the second term. So we have r minus 2. We can combine the third and the fourth term by taking negative 1 as the common factor. So we have negative 1 multiplied to r minus 2, so that will be equals to 0. So this is going to give us the product r minus 2 and 2r minus 1 equals to 0. So solving for r, we're going to get two values. So r could be equals to 2 or it could be equals to 1 half. So I've already obtained the value of a, the first term, which is 10. So using this, now we can obtain our numbers. So let's consider the case when our first term, that value is equals to 10, and our common ratio r is equals to 1 half. Then the other case would be when our first term, that value is equals to 10, and r value that's equals to 2. In that case, now we'll have to obtain the value of a over r, then followed by a, and then ar. So we have 10 divided by half, so that will be equals to 20. Then we have the first term, which is simply a. Then we have a times r, so 10 multiplied to half will be 5. Then next, here we have a equals to 10 and r equals to 2, so 10 divided by 2, that will be 5. Then we have 10, which is the value of a, and then a times r, so 10 times 22 will be simply 20. So these are the three terms, so these are in geometric progression.